Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set the schedule on your Ecobee application. So if you want your Ecobee thermostat to automatically switch between home, away, sleep or custom comfort settings throughout the day, you will need to create a schedule, and that's how you can basically do it. So first of all, you need to open the Ecobee application on your phone. Then you just have to simply select your thermostat. Now from the thermostat screen, you just have to simply tap on the option of schedule. So you can also first of all go to the settings, then inside the settings you can look for the option of main menu. Inside main menu you will find the option of schedule, and that's how you can access the schedule option. So when you are inside the schedule, you just have to simply select sleep, home and away option. You can also select this particular plus icon, and then you can basically select your comfort settings, and then if needed you can tap on the option of settings and you can go to the comfort settings, and here you can maximize the heating, the cooling temperature for home, away, sleep, and even can create your own custom comfort. So you can tap on the plus icon and then you can choose the comfort setting, and once you are done with it, you can just simply tap on the option of copy option, or use copy if it is available in your application version. So this basically allows you to copy the same schedule to the multiple days instead of creating it manually. Now once you are done with it, you just have to do nothing but to just save the changes and return to the main screen, and your thermostat will now automatically switch between the comfort settings according to the schedule that you have created. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.